Jasmine has a set that follows the rule. If a quadrilateral is in set C, then it is not a square. Which of the following statements must be true about set C? So let's just create a set C over here. I'll just create some set, random set over here. We'll call this set C. So this is going to be set C. And in this case, it says if a quadrilateral is in set C, then it is not a square. So in here, you can have a trapezoid. You can have a rhombus. You can have parallelograms. You can have rectangles, but no squares in here. So we can just say squares are not allowed in here. Squares are not allowed in this particular set. Now let's just see which one must be true. There is one square in, well, that should not be there. There is one square in set C. No, that is not possible because no squares are allowed in set C. So A is not correct. All quadrilaterals in set C are rectangles. Well, no, there can be rectangles in here, but not all of them are rectangles, right? It doesn't. There's nothing here that says that you can only have rectangles in here. So this is not correct. There are no trapezoids in set C. Well, we know that the only rule we know is that no squares are allowed in this case. It doesn't say anything about trapezoids, so we can't really make that assumption. So C is out. Set C contains quadrilaterals. Well, yeah, if it can contain quadrilaterals, but it's not asking us what can be true. It's asking us for what must be true, right? Set C must contain quadrilaterals. That's not true. Set C over here, it can have triangles. There's nothing forbidding a triangle. All we know that squares are not allowed in here. You can have circles. You can have ovals. You can have all kinds of shapes. You can you can have all kinds of. You can even have like people. Let's say you have a group of people. Let's say you can have a person in here. So you can have anything. The only thing we know is that if a quadrilateral is in set C, then it is not a square. So squares are not allowed in here. So D is obviously incorrect because it can contain quadrilaterals. There are no squares in set C. Yeah, this one actually checks out because we know that squares are not allowed here. So nothing in here is going to be a square. So therefore our answer is E for elephant.